Alright, so I just want to show you this keyboard from Coco. I took the keyboard apart, obviously, and the reason is the problem right here is that you see that little nib right there that's there to put the metal piece in. So I get this right here. This metal piece for the space bar, the stabilizer bar. It like slips in underneath that right there. Then it holds it there. If I can get it in there. Anyway, that's what it's for. Problem is that this one's missing. It was broken. Now I've kind of made the hole a little bit bigger because I have a fix for that. So you see right there, the bar needs to go underneath that stabilizer bar, and that has to hold it down. One isn't enough. I tried it, so this one has to be there. What I ended up doing is I printed this out, which looks very complicated because I wanted to do something that I could just press fit in and not, and everything, the backing and everything would hold it on. So basically, like here's the one that works here. That's good. And then this is the bad area one here. Okay. So then I'll take this and then I'll just put this in here like that. Hold on. Yep, that's the right one. It's kind of hard to do with the camera. I don't know how you guys do this. All right, yeah, it fits in there, and I have it so that it presses up against that and it holds it. Once the backing is on here, it's not going to go anywhere. And now, if we go back and look, so here's the one that is good, and here's the new one. So when I tested it, it works pretty good. It holds the bar like it's supposed to. And then when the key is in there, here, we'll put it in there. Let's see. Of course, I don't have any of the springs or anything on here yet. There we go. Get on there. Sorry, it's off camera. I'm trying to look at it. Yeah, right there you go. And you don't really see it or anything, even when it's pressed down all the way, which it is now. So should be good. Anyway.